Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll go through Cambridge IGCSE 0417 Information Communication Technology, question paper 2. This is a November paper, 2024. We'll do the database task. I'll later on do document production and presentation. So this is task 3, database. Dates must be imported in the format day, month, and year. Using database software, import the file N2402 students.csv as a new table. Use these field names and data types. So let's open our database software. Okay, it's open. I'm using Office 365. This is the access. So click here once. Let's save it to our folder. Click on create. So close the default table. To import the file, click on external data, new data source. From file, choose text file because it's a CSV file. Browse. Choose the file, students, open, then click OK. Next. First row contains field names, always tick that. Next. Click on advanced. Let's check our data type. Let's compare. Okay, so the first, this one is short text. This is text. This is text. That's text. This is text. So basically the first 5 are text, then we have a date, then the next 2 are text. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are text. This is date with time. Then the next two should be text. So this telephone here, it is displayed as long integer. But if we check our question paper, this is displayed as short text. So short text, age is a number, and email is text. I'll change this to integer. The format, make sure the date is day, month, year. Click OK. Next. Set row number as a primary key. Choose my primary key, set row number as a primary key. Next, and finish. Now we need to import the other table. Degrees, open. Next, first row contains field names. Next, advanced. Here we need to do evidence. So we'll do this. Says place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key used in the table. Import the file n2402degrees.csv as a new table in your database. Use these field names and data types. So the first three are short text, then number, then short text number, and then Boolean. So first three short text, level is number. The next three are short text. This duration, if we check here, check duration that's got decimal places, floating point numbers. So we can leave duration as a double. A double is also a number, but it supports decimal places. And then this should be Boolean. Boolean means yes or no. Okay, I'll change level to just integer. So it's just a short number. Day, month, year, make sure the date order is like that. Click OK. And let's go next. Choose my primary key. Subject code as the primary key. So we need to set subject code as the primary key. Next, finish, close. Here, we need to change the date to this format. Day, DD, MMM, YY. And this is the example should display like that in the students table. Okay, so let's do that. So if I open the students table by double clicking, you can see the date. It's not exactly the same as this. So they've given an example. They want it like that. So what do we do? It's easy. So let's go into design view. Just right click on the table name, go into design view, and let's change. We're changing DOB. Yes, we're changing DOB to that format. So click on DOB, and here just type DD, MMM, okay, MMM, and YY. Okay, let's type again DD, DD colon, MMM colon YY. No, that doesn't work. So we need to change it. That's a medium date. We can change from here and then choose medium date. It should display like this. So that's fine. Save and then check the table out. So we change the date order. Save, close. Then let's open, right click, go into design view. This must display as yes or no. So click on this work experience, click on format, and here choose yes or no. Go to lookup, change this checkbox, change it to text box. Save and check your table, and you can see it displays yes or no. Okay, close. I'll need to open these in design view and take screenshots. So to take a screenshot, it's easy. Just search for snipping tool, and there's a shortcut on your keyboard. Then take the screenshot. Then you can go ahead and paste in your evidence document. That in your evidence document, this is what they want to see, including the primary key. So you can do the same for the other table. And then proceed. Please don't forget to take evidence document in the exam, as that's what they mark. Create one-to-many relationship between the subject code field in the degrees table and the course code in the students table. And take evidence. So to create a relationship, we need to go to Database Tools, and you see Relationships. Open your tables by double-clicking on each of them. Make sure all the fields are fully visible. So making a one-to-many relationship between subject code in the degrees table and course code. Then enforce referential integrity. Click on create. And now a relationship is created. Take a screenshot. Again, just snip this and paste it in your evidence document. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that selects the records where subject includes the text organic, age, age October 24th is 25 or more. So it shows only the fields, first name, last name. So let's select our fields from here first. So we need to do this part first before we can do this part. So first name, last name, DOB, telephone, age. Okay. So we go to create. So before you create a report, you first need to create a query. So you go to create and then go to query wizard, simple query, click OK. So it's first name, last name, first name, last name, DOB, telephone, age. DOB, telephone, age, duration, degree code, subject, and work experience. Subjects, and work experience. So after selecting a field like this, you go next, click next, and then modify, query design. So it shares this field in this order with data and labels displayed in full. Do not group the data. Okay. So sort the data into ascending order of degree, code, and ascending order of age as the page orientation of landscape. So we'll do that when creating the report. So let's do this. So if it says subject includes the text organic, so the keyword here is includes, or sometimes they may say contains. So what you want to do is a wildcard, okay? So if it says includes, just do the following, okay? So we go to subject. Is that subject code? Yeah, that's subject, okay? So we go to subject. Just below the tick mark in the criteria here, we need to type hashtag organic hashtag. It means we don't care where the organic occurs in the text, whether it's at the beginning, middle, or end. All we want, everything with the word organic in it, regardless of the position, must be filtered out. Run the query, and you will see that the subject will contain organic somewhere. We're down to 119. We'll go back. Age is 25 or more. So you just said 25. So you say greater than or equal to 25. Since they said 25 or more. If they said, so here is what you write. So if they said greater than 25, you were just going to say greater than 25, but they said it must be 25 or more. So that's why you use the equal sign, greater than or equal to. Press enter. Run your query. And now we're down to 42 records. Save. Then you can close your query. Sort the data into ascending order of degree code. Okay, this will do in creating the report. So we're almost done here. So go to create report wizard. Here, select the query that you created. You can see that's query. Now check everything this side. Next. Next. Do you want to add any groupings? The question said do not add any groupings. Go next. It must do a sort. Yeah, sort the data into descending order of degree code and ascending order of degree code, descending order, and ascending order of age. Okay, like this. Next. So tabular report. Next. Finish. Our report must be landscape. Okay. Now we can go into layout view and arrange things nicely here. I'm going to go in design view and make myself space to work with here. Then go back to layout view. Go back in design view. Okay, layout view. Hot control. And then just expand these. So the order, guys, is very important. So it must be first name, last name, DOB, telephone, age. First name, last name, DOB, telephone, then age. So we need to move these. And after age is duration, degree, code, subject. Expand your view so that everything is visible. Make sure nothing is cut out. If anything is cut out, then you will lose some marks. Fit a single page width and print on 2 pages only. Includes only the title. Mature students studying organic farming. Displayed in a large font size, fully visible and centered within the margins at the top of the page. Uses a calculated control to display at the end of the report only the age of the oldest student from the age of October 24 field. As a label, oldest student. So you click on age in layout view. Remember, in layout view, you click on the first add data item. Do not click on the field name itself. Click on the first data item here. Then go into report design, and you can see totals here. Then we do the marks. You can see the oldest is 58. Okay, then has the label age of oldest student fully visible to the left of this value. So you add a label here, click on label. Remember, I'm in layout view. Then we can draw this label here. Okay, that didn't work well. I'll do Ctrl Z to undo. Let's do this in design view. Design view. Okay, click anywhere in there and go to report design, choose label, and this is the formula here. So we can add our label here and paste our text. Move it nearer. Now let's go in layout view and see how it looks like. Okay, it is age of oldest student. So placing your evidence document, a screenshot showing the database formula used to display the age of the oldest student. Make sure this formula is fully visible, okay? So this report is worth 12 marks. So if you go in design view, expand this formula here, and take a screenshot of this formula. And that's what you paste as your evidence document. So save, so this report is done. So guys, thanks for watching. I will do part 2 of the form. See you in the next tutorial.